Panel number 28. AI Scholarship and Projects at WVU. Augmenting Reality. Activity, Leaders, and Generating Biases. Project by Gabrielle Fraser. Majored in English and Geography. Class of 2024, current master's student in Geography. Image description. There's a collage with 5 men giving a speech in the front bottom of the image. There's a board meeting behind these men. Most of these men are white and wearing suits. These images are in black and white. In the back of the image, there is a grid of TVs with colorful images on the screens. There are images of men and women of various skin tones. There are white boxes with black over the TV grid. Words include Toys in Iraq, manager, image of an inmate, a person at social services, politician, a productive person, janitor, image of a terrorist, housekeeper, and compassionate manager. Image source, sources. Kai Annabelle, et al. Text language. The purpose of this collage is to juxtapose the lack of gender and racial diversity within the leadership of major, prominent generative AI companies with the racist and misogynistic language and images that result from the algorithmic bias. These leaders are pushing to move generative AI models into mainstream culture, yet the ideas that come out of these products do not reflect the reality of all people. Exploring the dichotomy between these two elements will be helpful for developing a deeper understanding of the consequences and need for more diversity in generative AI leadership and datasets. This piece was inspired by the Rolling Stones article, quote, "These women tried to warn us about AI," end quote, which includes first-person accounts of women of color who attempted to warn the public about the consequences of having exclusive and non-diverse leaders in control of datasets and AI, and how these conditions can lead to biases and algorithmic outputs. This collage is meant to both educate and invoke emotion in the viewer. I hope viewers will recognize, or at the very least, feel the gravity of, the lack of diversity among the leaders in AI. Whether or not the figures are named is unimportant, as the goal is to establish that they are important and powerful through the seizing a black and white color scale. The contrast between the black and white and full color schemes not only serves to represent difference, but also to represent the drama and severity of the difference between these leaders and the AI-produced images. I arranged the elements in a way where the leaders are larger and in the front center of the collage to represent their scale, importance, and power. The words in black and white around the biased AI images represent the feeling of plugging in basic, general prompts, yet receiving racist or misogynistic images in return. The images are presented on the multi-screen background to mirror how tech leaders release their new products onto large screens in front of large audiences. Yet instead of a carefully constructed and marketed image, these images show another, darker reality of the generative AI models. Text written by the human author. Image created by the human author.